Good afternoon everyone. So today we woke up in our lovely campsite for the night. Actually, it was just like a gravel pit, but it was a really nice one and there were lots of lovely vans. But then we went to the Nature's Window, which was only a 1k return. It was really easy and so beautiful, so worth it if you can go. We went first thing in the morning at like 6:30 I think we got there, and there was like one other couple there, but then everyone started to come after that. So get there early if you want to have the place to yourselves. It was really nice and calming.
Don't know if you can see, but some little goats down there at the bottom of the valley.
And then we went to Nature Skywalk, which was really cool as well, which is just a look out over the whole gorge. You could do a loop, but during the hotter months, I think November to March, it was closed after 7 AM just because it's quite a long trail and it gets really hot and people like can suffer from dehydration, I guess.
Yeah, it looked pretty intense. Like I think if you're climbing up and down, and it was pretty dry as well. Like it was pretty damn hot. So
yeah,
I think they closed it because people like walk halfway and go, oh, I didn't bring like 10 liters of water. Can you come rescue me? And
then we went into town. So now we're in Kalbarri town.
Yeah.
We filled up on some food and it's pretty windy today, so we just checked out like the main beach area. So beautiful. And then now we're here at the Blue Holes. It's supposed to be a nice snorkeling spot on like a calmer day. It's actually really beautiful, but if I were to show you it now, it doesn't do it justice as to what it would be on a calm day. I think Tommy actually had a dip.
That's why I'm wet right now.
Yeah, but I didn't. A bit too cold for me.
It's mainly because there are no like free shower facilities around here, so you gotta stay clean. We've still got the lookouts to go. There's like 8 different lookouts in Kalbarri. Like I think what's cool about this place is like you've got the national park, which is doable in a day, which is like unheard of.
Yeah, there are more trails that we could have done, but I've got a sore toe and we're feeling really lazy today.
Well, and there's also like the beaches are amazing as well, so it's like 2 in 1.
Yeah.
Kalbarri.
So now we're gonna head up to the next beach, I guess. And there's a pink lake here, which I'm so excited to check out. I'm not sure if it's actually gonna be pink.
Let's see if it's
but we'll check it out, and if it's cool, we'll send the drone up. We just checked out Nature's Bridge, which was so stunning. And now we're heading to the Pink Lagoon, like the hot lagoon. I'll have the location here, and we can see it from here. And it actually looks so pink, it's crazy. Guys, look at my legs. This is after walking in the lake, the pink salt lake, and there's so much salt. I was out there and I couldn't see my feet, that's how pink it was. That's insane!
Yeah, you're pretty sorry.
On my hands, like, wow. We stayed here by the Lighthouse overnight. It's a free campsite for non-self-contained vehicles, 24-hour one, and they have cold showers, toilets, rubbish bins. Yeah, it's right by the ocean as well, so that was a great little stop for last night.
Was, definitely.
So yeah, we're in Geraldton now, which is like a town, and it actually looks kind of more like a city town. It's a lot bigger than we were expecting. So yeah, we're feeling pretty good to be back in civilization again, because we are suspecting that something's still not quite right with Susie, so we're gonna head to Super Cheap Auto, see if we can pick up some parts. Tommy's gonna try and figure it out, I guess. It's a lot colder down here, like it's like what, 18 degrees probably, and it's quite windy, cloudy at the moment, but yeah, it feels kind of good to be
It's funny, isn't it? Like, because when it's too hot you crave the cold, and then when it's cold you're like, oh, it's a little bit warmer.
Yeah.
Same as like a town out in the sticks as well, when you're like, oh, just get me out of the city, and then you're in the outback, you're like, oh well, a little bit of reception would be good.
First time we've seen this much civilization in a long time.
The next morning.
Next day, we spent all morning editing, just chilling out in the van basically. And now we skate. I know.
rare and it was actually really nice.
But we skated to the closest day use area with barbecues and stuff. It's not far at all from the free camp. And yeah, now we're gonna make some shock falafel wraps, and then we're gonna go down to the beach, get a little tan on, maybe go for a swim, we'll see.
Yeah, it's pretty good temperature.
Yeah. This is editing Becca coming in again. So I just wanted to explain, because we lost the footage when we explained everything that happened. So basically we were on our way to leave Geraldton because we booked our sea lion tour, so we were gonna head to Jurien Bay, and it was around, I think it was Friday evening, just after sunset. We were driving on the highway and suddenly the car starts like jumping and slowing down, so we pulled to the side of the road and she's dead. She's dead, like we can't start her again. The exact same thing has happened, and we stand there for like maybe 5 minutes, and then this big 4x4 comes, pulls over to the side of the road, and it was this really lovely French couple that actually had a towing line of their own. So they were like, oh, we'll tow you, like where do you need to go? So we just said, let's just go back to the free camp because we can stay there until we figure out what's wrong with her. So we luckily, like, thanks universe and thanks to all these lovely kind people that have been helping us along the way, that we got a tow, and he didn't even want anything for it, so that was really sweet. So yeah, that's what's going on if you're confused about what's happening in these coming clips. On the phone with the mechanic.
It's like day 5.
I can't believe this. I can't believe this. What are you trying now?
So we took off the top of the carby, tried to see if it was the fuel pump by pouring fuel directly into the top of the carburetor, and it didn't start, so it's got to be spark or air, but I don't think it's air. Just tried having a look at everything with the spark, the plugs.
What we were doing all day yesterday.
Yeah, looked at the leads, looking at the distributor, just cleaning up the distributor cap now, cleaned up the rotor button as well.
Oh my god. See how it goes. I'll probably be spending another day in this exact spot. Oh well, I'm gonna probably be editing. I've just done the whole back, tidied, done the dishes, looks alright. So we're at the beach, we skated into town from our little free camp spot.
Whoa!
And at first we were like, oh, this place is really shit, but like now we've been walking around.
Wow.
Okay, no, we didn't say that, but we were like, we wouldn't want to like live here for a while.
Yeah, I hope we don't have to stop for too long, sort of thing.
Yeah, but now we've actually had a little skate around and had a look and looked at the beach, and it's actually a really cute little place. Obviously the mechanics aren't open because it's a Sunday, no, it's a Saturday today, so we've got to wait 2 more days until Monday to see. We're going to have to take it to the mechanics to fix out everything he can.
Can't get to the bottom of it.
We've got some lunch from Woolies. Beach at our free camp. How stunning. Now back to the van because it's cold. We've got a sandy bottom.
It's not a shortcut.
Good morning guys, so we made it to Monday. It's now Monday morning. We've just spent 2 days kind of bumming around in Geraldton. It's been good, but today we need to get back to serious business. So we woke up at 7 AM to call the mechanics that we thought were open. Turns out they weren't. And we called around a few at 8 o'clock and they were all like too busy, couldn't take us. And then we found this one that still had pretty good reviews. So he actually came out to us to help like make a little quick fix so we could start the car and drive it to his shed and we could borrow his tools because he thinks it's the coil. So we managed to get the car to start and we drove like 5 minutes and then it died again, but at least we're in town now and we're like literally 800 meters away from the mechanic shed. So
currently researching, just in case, how to fit the ignition coil myself. Watching many YouTube videos.
oh, it starts! Yeah! We're here. Tommy's just fitted the spare part in that we got from one of the wreckers because we've got such an old car that they don't really sell new parts for it anymore. So I think he's just fitted the coil. It blows my mind that he's actually done this. I actually can't believe it. He did it yourself. Tommy's putting the chair back on. We just went out to get some cash to pay the mechanic with. Now is the moment of truth. Like, we know she starts, but we're gonna go for a test drive just in case the same thing happens again.
Which it shouldn't, but
Which it shouldn't. We're just so nervous because last time we went to mechanics, we thought it was kind of good. It was working for 2 days and then...
Yeah, they said that they replaced it last time, but then it did the same thing. So hopefully this time that I've seen it, I've done it myself. Then hopefully it works. Okay, Susie, I'm giving you the best I possibly can.
Yes.
Sounds good so far. Let's take it for a drive.
She starts. Girls, we'll see you later. We're just going to go for a little drive here. Just getting the loving she deserves. Way to see the sea lions.
Feels earlier than it is right now.
Yeah, it's like 6 o'clock. Last night it was thundering and raining so much. Like, oh, there's a room on the road. Like the whole sky was just lighting up, and I think we both stayed awake for a while. It was kind of
it was nice.
It was cozy, but it was a little bit scary because it was so much. Like,
I was thinking, like, are we a giant conductor right now? Like, with the solar panels on the top. And if we got struck by lightning, would it explode all the batteries and stuff?
Oh. I'm gonna charge the GoPro quickly because it's got no charge. How was that?
That was amazing.
Yeah.
I'm never gonna warm up after that.
I know. It was so cool and cold.
I got a bite on my shoulder.
Yeah. Got a bite on my neck. Oh my god, guys, that was so good. Probably one of our favourite things we've done so far on this whole trip.
Yeah.
Like, they were so playful and they came up right up to our faces, and like in the end they started actually like biting us, like not hard, but it's how they play.
Yeah, I think it's
they
when
got a bit
like
too excited.
I think when when a puppy gets too rough.
Yeah. Yeah, because there was one guy like encouraging him with his hands. So you're not supposed to give your hands, because then they'll think that it's okay to like kind of nibble on you.
That's cool, yeah.
But oh, they were so cool, like doing little loops, swimming right up to our face.
I did not expect them to be performing like that, you know?
Yeah.
Like, yeah, I thought they'd sort of observe you from a distance, but no, they were like, you know, jumping on our backs for a piggyback, and like giving you full-on kisses, and
yeah, and the more you like played with them and span around and dived down, the more they like stayed with you. But now
here it is.
Entering the national park for the Pinnacles. I'm not quite sure what the national park's called, but it looks pretty cool. It's definitely one of the things to see around here. It's just a $15
oh my God,
entry
look at that
fee.
view.
But it's nice because we're in November, so we're coming up to like autumnal, Christmassy times. So it's nice to be in the
northern hemisphere, isn't it? But here it's like coming up to summer.
No, but it's still Christmas.
Yeah, but
back home. It's still Christmas soon.
It's not autumnal. Spring.
No, but I want it to be autumnal. So thank you all so much for watching. I'm going to end this vlog here because it's already pretty long, and in the next vlog we arrive in Perth and we make our way down to our destination where we decided to set up camp, live for a while, earn some more money. So you'll find that out in the next video. I hope you enjoyed this one, even though the first half of it was kind of like fail. If you haven't watched my last one, you should probably watch that one, because then you'll see why it was extra frustrating when we broke down. But yeah, if you enjoyed it, please do give it a thumbs up and leave a comment, and follow me on my socials if you haven't. Also, I'd really like to know if you guys, because my audience has like changed a bit from what it used to be, so I'm wondering if you guys still would like an unboxing video of my phone, because that's the kind of video I would have probably made before, and like a tattoo tour and stuff like that. If you still want that on this channel, if so, then comment down below and I'll upload them here. Otherwise, I'll probably have to post them to my vlog channel or something. But yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.